Let's find out. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're hyped for GTA 6 and want to build a killer gaming PC that'll crush it at 4K ultra settings, you're in the right spot. Today, we're putting together a $4,000 absolute monster that'll give you insane FPS, ray tracing, and buttery smooth gameplay. Before we get into it, I've got all the product links down in the description and pinned comment, so you can grab the best deals. Alright, let's build this beast. Alright, first off, is a $4,000 gaming PC overkill? Look, I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely on the higher end. But honestly, if you're serious about your gaming, and I mean really serious about experiencing everything GTA 6 is going to throw at us, this is how you do it right. We're talking about future-proofing, guys. Think about it. You drop $4 now and you're set for years, maybe even close to a decade, without having to worry about upgrading. No more constantly checking if your rig can handle the latest games. This bad boy will laugh in the face of anything developers cook up for a long time. And let's be real here, GTA 6 is shaping up to be an absolute beast of a game, graphically speaking. We're talking next level stuff. And if you want to crank those settings up to 4K Ultra, with ray tracing on and every single graphical bell and whistle enabled, you're going to need some serious horsepower. That's what this build is all about. But it's not just about raw power, although this thing has got that in spades. It's also about smoothness, about having a system that just works, no compromises. Imagine, you're cruising down the streets of whatever Vice City-esque wonderland they've dreamt up this time, everything cranked to the max and it's just buttery smooth. No lag, no stuttering, no frame rate drops to ruin your immersion. Just pure, unadulterated gaming bliss. And hey, even if GTA 6 isn't your jam, maybe you're into streaming your gameplay, or creating content or diving headfirst into the world of competitive esports. This rig will handle it all without breaking a sweat. We're talking about a machine that can not only keep up with your ambition, but push you to do even more. So yeah, $4 is a significant chunk of change, no doubt about it, but think of it as an investment in your passion, an investment in years of top-tier gaming experiences. You're not just buying a PC, you're buying peace of mind, knowing you've got the best of the best at your fingertips. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Here's the heart and soul of this beast, the components that make this $4,000 monster tick: CPU. We're going all out here, no compromises. You've got two options, both absolute titans in the CPU arena, the AMD Ryzen 7950X3D or the Intel Core i9-14900K. Tough choice, right? Both will chew through anything you throw at them, but if you're all about squeezing every last frame per second out of GTA 6, the 7950X3D with its insane 3D V-cache performance is the way to go. We're talking about a level of gaming responsiveness that'll blow your mind. GPU, no messing around here folks, we're talking top-of-the-line graphics power, the NVIDIA RTX 4090, 24GB, or the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. These are the titans of the GPU world, capable of delivering jaw-dropping 4K ultra gaming with ray tracing cranked up to the max. No compromises, no holding back. If you absolutely have to have the best of the best, the RTX 4090 is the current king of the hill, but the 7900 XTX is a worthy contender. Motherboard. To support all this power, we need a rock-solid foundation. For the Ryzen build, we're going with the Asus ROG X670E Hero. If you opt for Intel, the Z790 Hero is its equally impressive counterpart. Both motherboards are packed with features, future-proofed with PCIe Gen 5 support, rocking the latest Wi-Fi 6E for lightning-fast connectivity, and boasting high-end VRMs to keep those power-hungry components happy. RAM, 32GB of DDR5 6000 M8Z+ is the name of the game here. GTA 6 is going to be a resource hog, and we're not taking any chances. DDR5 is the latest and greatest, offering blistering speeds and improved performance. Corsair and G.Skill Trident Z RGB are both excellent choices. Storage. Say goodbye to loading screens, my friends. We're talking about a 2TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD. Samsung's 990 Pro and WD's SN850X are both blazing fast, ensuring that GTA 6 loads in the blink of an eye. Boot times? What boot times? This thing will be up and running before you can say Grove Street. Power supply. With great power comes the need for a great power supply. We're talking 1000 watts plus of 80+ gold or platinum rated goodness. Seasonic Corsair's RMX series and EVGA's Supernova are all top-notch choices. You need a reliable PSU that can handle those power spikes and keep your system stable, especially with the RTX 4090 drawing all those watts. Cooling. Keeping all this hardware cool and quiet is paramount. We're going with a beefy 360mm AIO liquid cooler. Corsair's H150i and NZXT's Kraken Elite are both fantastic options, offering excellent cooling performance and whisper-quiet operation. Case: we need a case that's not only functional but also looks the part. The Li & Li 011. Dynamic EVO and the Fractal Design Meshify 2 are both excellent choices. They're sleek, modern, and offer fantastic airflow to keep those components happy. OS Windows 11 Pro is the operating system of choice for this build. It's the latest and greatest from Microsoft, offering DirectX 12 support for optimal gaming performance, gaming optimizations, and future-proofing your system for years to come. Now, you can't very well experience the glory of GTA 6 at 4K ultra settings without a monitor that can handle it, right? So, here are my top picks for 1440p and 4K gaming. For those of you who prefer high refresh rates, the Asus ROG Swift 32-inch 165 HD QHD monitor is an absolute dream. It's the perfect blend of size, speed, and image quality. If you're all about that pixel-dense goodness, the LG UltraGear 27-inch 144Hz OLED and the Asus ROG PG32 UQX 144Hz are both absolutely gorgeous displays. Prepare to have your mind blown by the insane color accuracy and responsiveness of these monitors. But what's a killer gaming PC without the right peripherals to complete the experience? Here are some must-have accessories. The SteelSeries Apex Pro and the Razer Huntsman Elite are both top-tier keyboards that offer responsiveness, customization options, and that satisfying mechanical feel. You can't go wrong with the Logitech G502X or the Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro. These mice are designed for gamers, with high DPI sensors, comfortable ergonomics, and customizable buttons for those lightning-fast reflexes. Immerse yourself in the world of GTA 6 with the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro or the HyperX Cloud 3 Wireless. These headsets offer exceptional sound quality, comfort, and crystal-clear microphones for all your in-game communication needs. If you're planning on sharing your GTA 6 adventures with the world, the Elgato 4K 60 Pro is the capture card you need. It'll capture your gameplay in stunning 4K resolution at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second. Before you dive headfirst into this build, let me share some pro tips that'll make your life a whole lot easier and ensure your system runs like a dream. Airflow is everything. Don't underestimate the importance of good airflow in your case. Grab some high-quality case fans from brands like Noctua or Li & Li Unifans. Trust me, your components will thank you. Apply good thermal paste. This is crucial for keeping your CPU cool and preventing thermal throttling. Arctic MX6 and Thermal Grizzly Cryonaut are both excellent thermal paste options. Update your BIOS and GPU drivers as soon as you boot up your system. This will ensure you're running the latest and greatest software for optimal performance. Sync your RGB lighting using software like ICUE, Armory Crate, or Signal RGB. It's the little things that make a big difference, and a well-coordinated RGB setup just looks plain awesome. Alright, let's talk turkey. How much is this insane build going to set you back? Here's the price breakdown, and keep in mind that these prices are subject to change. USA pricing, April 2025. CPU, AMD Ryzen, 97950X3D $620. GPU, RTX 4000 and $91,700. Motherboard, Asus X670E Hero $500. RAM, G.Skill Trident, Z5 RGB32GB DDR5 $6,160. SSD, Samsung 990 Pro 2 TB $220. PSU, Corsair RM1000X $180. Cooler, Corsair ICU H150i $250. Case, Li & Li 011 Dynamic EVO $140. OS, Windows 11 Pro $140 total. Around $3,910 USD before tax and shipping. So yeah, it's a hefty price tag, no doubt about it, but you're not just paying for individual components here, you're paying for an experience. This is the ultimate gaming PC, a machine that will not only obliterate GTA 6, but also handle anything else you throw at it for years to come. What do you guys think? Would you build this beast? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget, all the links to these parts are in the description and pinned comment, so check them out if you're interested. So there you have it, folks. A $4,000 beast of a PC that'll make GTA 6 its, well, you know. Remember, this is just a starting point. Feel free to tweak the build to your liking, your budget, and your gaming preferences. The beauty of PC building is that it's all about customization. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future PC building shenanigans. And hey, if you have any questions or suggestions for future builds, drop them in the comments below. I read as many as I can. Until next time, stay safe, stay nerdy, and keep on gaming.